Children for Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts and Team G503 here on YouTube. The new year has passed and it's now almost the middle of February, and I'm getting to be 50 years old, be 51 this year, and sort of feel a little weak. So I want to share with you my workout routine and the exercise equipment that I bought. I went out and I bought these power bands, and I'm telling you, you work on those. With proper training and diet, you'll be feeling just like you did back when you're 20s. Not really. But what I do want to show you, I personally think that these are some of the coolest things that Joe's Motor Pool makes and are carried by Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts. These are fan belts, and they are correct length. They're the correct V-groove, and the coolest thing is they are labeled with the part number and Ford GPW and Willys MB. I'm going to show you how to measure these because a lot of people have asked, will they work on the CJ2As and 3As and such like that. If you're going to measure the fan belt, I've got just a tape, soft tape here that you'd use like for, sewing and that. I stole it from my wife. Hold it in a spot on the outside, go around the perimeter, and this measures out at 44 inches on the outside diameter. And they're high quality rubber. There's a lot of problems out there in the reproduction world with rubber. I will personally vouch for this because I'm running one both on my 1946 Willys CJ2A, and I'm also running one on the Team G503 Jeep project. I will vouch for that. It's good stuff. Check them out. You can check them out, Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts. I'll show you some pictures. Again, making a little video like this, this stuff like this, hey, Scott, that stuff's not important. This is the coolest thing you can put in your engine compartment. If you get one, and I know you're gonna, because I'm telling you, if you guys are just like me, this stuff is cool. And not only is it cool, it's functional and it's quality stuff. So you can't lose there. The price is outstanding. That's one thing Joe's Motor Pool really does well. They give us good quality stuff, fair prices. You really can't beat it. If you get one of these, there is a community section on the YouTube channel here, Team G503, and I posted some pictures. It's something new to me that I've learned, that you can actually, have conversations and post pictures like you can on Instagram, some of the other social medias. If you get one and you install it on your engine, post a picture up. I want to see how cool it looks in your engine too, and I know you're gonna like this. I'm telling you, I get a kick out of these. All right, if you'd like to follow along, we're doing with the 1943 Willys MB and check out the cool products we've got to sell you at Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts. You can do so by subscribing and hit that bell so you can know when we post the videos. It's really cool. I just get such a kick out of it. All right, y'all, until next time, keep it safe. It's not going to make me like Schwarzenegger. And happy Jeeping.